How to move a message to spam on Messenger. You can easily move a message that you don't want to see to the spam folder on Messenger. By doing this, you can also block the messages of the account or the person. Firstly, open up your Messenger. After you open up Messenger, tap and hold on the chat that you want to move to spam. Here you'll see a bunch of options. You need to tap on restrict. Again, tap on restrict. Now the person has been restricted. Now whenever the account or the person messages you, their messages will be moved to spam automatically. You can see the spam section here. Tap on the top left of the screen and tap on message requests. Here you'll have two sections. One is the You May Know section and the second one is spam. Currently it is not showing, but when the person or the account messages, then their message will be automatically directed to the spam section.